Hey everyone, welcome to SureShot FX. This is a demonstration video for installing the SureShot FX copier. So after availing the trade copier service from us, we'll provide an exe file like this to you. Now you need to run this exe file, click OK, and then you will check this box right here, create a desktop shortcut, and then click next, followed by install right here. Now as you can see, the installation is quite fast because this copier is light and fast. Now we will uncheck this launch the copier right here at this moment because we don't want to launch the copier at this moment right now. So we'll select finish right here, and then you can see that two icons in your desktop. So this one is for the copier. This is the shortcut for the copy, and this one is actually an exe file of the EA of the copier. Now we will proceed with this installation. Now we need to run this exe of the copier as well. So we will run this copy and we'll see this window where we can select the MT4 accounts, because a lot of people have multiple MT4 accounts installed in their desktop. So you can select the one you want to use the copier with, then click next and then install, and when the installation is complete, select close. You can use our copier for two real MT4 accounts and one demo account. And if you want to link another MT4 account with this copier, then all you need to do is select this exe file again and run it, and you will see the same window pop up again. And all you need to do is basically repeat the same process that we showed few moments back. You need to select another MT4 account and then just follow the previous process. So we are done with the installation of the SureShot FX copier and also the EA. Now it's time to launch the copier, and after you select the copier, you can see that a window will pop up where it will ask for your telephone or contact number that is linked with our VIP channel. So you need to put your number along with your country code there and then press connect. Now after you press connect, you can see a window pop up that will show your subscription status. Now if you don't see this window, that means that your license is not active and you need to contact the SureShot FX support at SSF support and ask for the license to be created. So click OK right here. Just as you press OK, you will instantly receive a notification in your Telegram, and you will see a code, and you need to insert that code in this window right here. It will ask for your code, that Telegram login code. So you will type this code right here and then press submit. Next, you'll come across this window where you can see that it's connected with SureShot FX. Now, the next step is to add in your MT4 number that you provided the support with, and the license has been created for those accounts. So you will copy paste or just type in your account number there. And if you have multiple accounts, you can use comma to separate those accounts and then press save. And if you just have a single account connected with the copier, then you will just give that MT4 number here and then press save, and you'll get a notification like this that will say that the account is saved, and then you'll just press OK. Now it's time to open the MT4 window, and we will open this window right here, and under navigator we will see expert advisor, and then refresh this and we can see the SureShot FX copier EA right here. So after refreshing, you can see the SureShot FX copier EA here. Now the first thing that you need to ensure is to keep this auto trading on. Now my one was on, so I turned it off and it's red. So when you turn it on, it's green. Then go to tools and then options and check these boxes right here, allow auto trading and then DLL imports, and then you need to insert two links here. One is copier.sureshotfx.com and another is api.telegram.org. Then just press OK and drag this EA over a chart, or open a chart and then drag it, and then just insert that contact or telephone number that is connected with our VIP channel right here. Now if you press OK now and everything in the previous steps are done correctly and this license is also created, then you can see that the copier is active, and you can say that by looking at this smiley right here. Now another way to ensure is that you will go to this expert section right here, and you can see that the license lifetime is activated and the copier is initialized, as you can see.